subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new affordable smartphone in China called Oppo A36. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A36 features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset coupled with Adreno 610 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage that can be further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo A36 supports a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture, and for selfies it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.7 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 185 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A36 has been priced in China at 1,599 Chinese yuan and it is now available for purchase in the country in cloudy black and sky blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A36 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.